sabi mo? Saan, sir?
Gaganong-ganon ako, nakita niya ako. Nakapayos na pa ako pag-gamit ng dusapan.
Leading the way. Teka nga, bakit? Siyempre video to, papasikatin kita. Dali, music video. Ay, cute. Ano ba gwapo? Ang pogi talaga ni Trasmonte.
I know.
Eh, pambabae yung I know.
Oo, balan. Alam ko.
I know.
I know.
I know.
Alam ko. Mapaliit!
Oh.
Mapaliit!
Sino yun? Anyway, by the way, Miss Trasmonte. Paano mo ma-express ang pagiging K-pop mo?
I can express it through words, through my actions.
And through your,
And through my surroundings.
and, how can you,
Tell you what?
okay. Tell me all of the name of your bias.
I can't mention it. There are so many.
You don't have a list?
Huh? Why should I? If they're already okay.
You can memorize their names?
Yeah!
Bawa!